Okay, we have a 2013 Honda Accord and change the oil on it. We got to reset the oil life light on it. So it's a push button start. First thing's push the button, turn it on, obviously, until you see your oil life light up like that. Then after you see that, right over here to this side, right here, gonna push and hold that down until it starts flashing. We're at 15%. Release it and then hold it down again until it reads 100%. So there you are, your 2013 Honda Accord oil life reset procedure. It's as simple as that. You can handle it. Thank you.